Salve Maria. Today we went on a little excursion to the Streetsville Pollinator Garden. And on our walk, it was just an exercise to make sure our grade 1s and 2s get their hands immersed and experience firsthand how living things work in our first unit of science. Unit 1 of science, they have to learn about living things and non-living things and their relation between each other. So they got a first-hand view of pollinators and their subjects and pollination, and they also have a glimpse in the life cycle of a plant. The purpose was to get their curiosity blooming about the things that we're learning. It's a first-hand experience and a literal experience of the terminology that we use in class, the reality of the definitions that we use. So when they read something, they're learning that they can apply it and make those connections and associations in their mind. Once they learn it, they bring it back and they will carry it on as they go on in the school year. So they'll say, Miss G,
we saw a bumblebee.
It's about the bumblebee, they carry all the pollen on their legs. You know that they are paying attention and they're fully immersed in whatever they're learning.